Hey everybody, it's your girl, Four-Wheel Fitness, and I am here with Roller Skate to Liberate, learning all about human trafficking during the month of June, and also learning how to roller skate. So this lesson, again, is going to be combining a lot of elements that we've already learned, and it's a super fun day. Today, we're doing the swivel. So the swivel, we're gonna start with our knees soft, our legs about shoulder width apart, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a bubble. So I'm gonna just open up, and then I'm gonna cross my right skate in front of my left, come out, cross my left skate in front of my right, come out. So let me back up a little bit more and show you that movement again. So I'm gonna remember start to bubble, and then I'm gonna come to the front, cross over, scoop out, left, cross over, scoop out. So that is our swivel. Again, with the swivel, you're gonna have a bubble, cross right over left, left over right, and then you can also swivel backwards to practice just crossing over and that movement in general of the swivel. Because really all you're doing is a crossover, but you're keeping your skates on the ground as you swivel. So when I'm swiveling, my skates are on the ground, as you can see. I'm not picking them up or, doing anything too fancy with them. I'm literally just